Hello everyone, welcome to my channel where I share simple DIYs and affordable home improvement projects. In this video, I want to show how to make this macrame planter sleeve with two simple knots. It's a great way to upcycle any vases or old pots that you have lying around in your home. All you need is macrame yarn, scissors and a dowel or any rod that is about 3/4 inch thick. I used the yarn which has the thickness of 4 millimeters and chose my favorite colors white and grey. Let's get started. First, I am measuring the circumference of the pot. I need the thread's length to be more than twice of the circumference of the pot. So I am folding the thread and leaving an overhang so that I have ample thread enough to tie the knots in the end. As you can see, I cut the thread and folded it in half. I am making sure it is long enough to cover the circumference and still have an overhang. Now take that thread as a guide and cut multiple threads of the same length. Then we will have to fold them all in half. Here is how to make the knot one, and it is the easiest. Just take the folded thread loop, wrap it around the rod from above and pull the remaining thread from inside the loop, and repeat it with all your threads. Add as many as you need to cover the height of the pot or vase. You can place the pot or vase in a sleeping position over these threads to make sure they cover the whole height of the pot. Now it's time for the second knot. Take a long thread of your preferred length. Now hold the threads in each loop and place this long thread below them as shown. Now you have to wrap around them twice as shown and repeat. If the thread ends, you can start again with a new thread. Just start in the same way you did in the beginning. You only have to remember the direction of the row you're knotting. A simple way is to act as if the new thread is already connected to the old one and continue. You can cut these extra pieces later. Now, if you reach the end of a row, reverse the direction from below the threads and continue making loops. You can make any pattern you like with so many combinations. Pick a different color thread and add it as if you're adding a new thread. There are so many possibilities here. showing a couple of patterns that I tried using grey and white yarn. Once your sleeve is long enough to wrap around the pot, cut all the extra thread on the back. The last part is to comb all the edges so that the yarn becomes a little fluffy and nice to look at. That's it, your old pots will be turned into these beautiful macrame planters. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you later.